Namaskar everyone and Namaskar students. This is the time to start learning with the new topic that is KitPix. Yes, we have discussed it in the last class also and in the last session also about the KitPix. It is a drawing software plus it is a graphic software. Now the question arises how to download it. So to download it, I have sent you the link plus I have sent you a PDF file. I'm showing you that PDF file. This is the PDF file that has been sent in the Teams, in Microsoft Teams. This will tell you how to download KitPix software. You can read these guidelines and it will be very helpful for you all to download KitPix in your computer or in your laptop. Now it's time to start learning about the KitPix. As we have learned in the last class also, that what is KitPix? It is a drawing software program that has been specially designed for you all students. You will actually enjoy when you learn KitPix software. It is a graphic software. You will be making trees, you will be writing your own name, you will be putting stickers, you will be applying background. It's a very interesting and it's a very easy software. Let us learn about the paint window. Let us move to the paint window. This is the paint window. It would be open when we open KitPix, in which there is a pencil, chalk, crayon, a color pencil, or we can say it is a highlighter. And there are different shapes of the pencil that you want. A small pencil, that means small pencil means that the width of the pencil. And with the help of this, you can draw various shapes. This is a free form of line, curve, rectangle, fill color, fill rectangle, oval, fill oval, pentagon, fill pentagon. This is how we will be working. So these are the different tools, that is draw, paint, ABC text, fill bucket, sticker, stamp, background. We will be using each and everything. But before I start, let us discuss about the drawing tool. So KitPix drawing tool consists of different lines. There are 4 drawing tools, that is pencil, chalk, crayon and marker. You can draw freehand, straight, curved line, rectangle, oval and pentagons. Can you see this? This draw button, this is the draw button. When I click on this draw button, what will happen? A chalk, pencil, you can choose any of this and you can choose any of the size and then you can draw the shapes. There are different shapes: freehand, curve, line, rectangle, fill rectangle, oval, fill oval, polygonal and the fill polygonal. Okay, let us take another tool also and I will be showing you practically both the tools afterwards, just after explaining it. Now the next tool that we will be learning about using painting tool. In the painting tool, there are a lot of options. There is a paintbrush, there is a sound out art, there is a spray can tool. Okay, so you can choose, even in this also you can choose the size. I'm showing you. See, this is the paintbrush option. When I click on this paintbrush option, what happens? 3 things comes. That is, one is the paintbrush, this is the mic and this is spray can. We will be learning only paintbrush and the spray one. In the paintbrush, when you click on this paintbrush, what happens? You can choose the size also, and then there are 2 modes. Which type of mode you want? If you will choose realistic paint mode, then this type of mode will come. And if you choose wacky paint mode, this type of designs will come. These all are some effects that we will be putting in our drawing. The next is spray cane. When I click on the spray cane, what happened? Some shapes come. You can choose balloon shapes. In that balloon shapes, there would be an oval shape, rectangular shapes, some type of shapes are there. And another one is that is like a ladybird shape, okay, or a caterpillar shape. When you click on this, what will happen? Different animals will come. Let us do it practically. This was the theoretical part. Let us work on practical part. Give me a second. Let me open the KitPix software. When you will download KitPix in your computer or in your laptop, such icon will come on your desktop. When you will click on this icon, my KitPix will open. This is how my window will appear. And then I will write down my name and then I will click on go option. And see, this window I've shown you, yes or no? This is draw button. When I click on this draw button, my window will appear like this. And this is by default, window will come like this only. Okay, now it's time to choose pencil, chalk, crayon, highlighter, whichever thing you want, you can choose it. For example, I choose a pencil, and then I will decide which shape I want. I want a small, I want big, or I want the biggest shape. So let us choose the biggest shape, and I want to draw a rectangle. If I want to draw a rectangle, I just have to choose the rectangle. After that, I will choose the color. So which color I want? I want pink, green, yellow, whichever color you want, you can choose it. And how to choose a color? I've told you in my last session also that there is a paste over here. Can you see it is just looking like a paste over there? And you just click on this color option and you choose the color. Let us take a pink color. Okay. And it's time to draw a fill rectangle. And what I will do, I will just click on the left click of the mouse and drag it as big as I want. Can you see that I have made a big rectangle and it has filled with pink color? Why it is being filled? Because I've chosen like this only. Yes or no? Let us take a crayon, but I will change the color. So let us change the color into blue. Okay. Let us take a rectangle and take a without filled oval. You can make it inside also. See, I have made such big rectangle inside the square. You can take a fill color also, fill oval also. I have made my fill oval over here. I can take a crayon also. Let us take a crayon. Let us take a yellow color and let us draw it. Let us see it. What changes it come? See, I've taken a fill. So that is the reason it is coming fill. Let us take an empty one. Empty, and then change the color. Change the color when you make any shape. See, I have changed my color once again. I have taken an empty circle. So this is how I can use draw tool, in which I can draw whatever I want to draw. Let us draw a smiley face. Now it's time to draw a smiley face. How I will draw a smiley? Before that, I want that my whatever work I have done, it should be erased. Over here, there is a bomb. When I will click on this bomb, what will happen? See the result. Isn't it good? Whatever I have drawn, it is vanished somewhere. Let us make it once again. For smiley, I want a yellow color. So I'm choosing a yellow color. I'm drawing a smiley now with the help of a pencil. And I have choose a big shape, not the smaller, not the biggest. And I'm drawing a smiley, big smiley over here. Okay, now it's time to take another, but I'm taking with the fill color. Let us draw it with the red color, the eyes with the red color. Let us choose a red color. And can you see, I have drawn the eyes. Let us draw one more eye. Let us make the nose. Which color should I take? Should I take blue or purple or yellow? Which color should I take? Let us take a black color nose. Okay, so draw a black color nose. Now it's time to make a good smile. So I'm taking a curve tool and let's make a smile with a purple color. So it is up to you that which color you want. So you can make a curve according to your wish. Okay. So see, this is how my smiley is being created. Isn't it looking very nice? I hope you liked it. Okay. Let us make another object. So how to make it? Let's first vanish the thing that I have made. And how to vanish? I will click on the bomb. So here it is a bomb and I will click over here and see whatever I have made, it is being vanished. Yes or no? Let us make a hut. How to make a hut? Let us choose the color. Let us take blue color. Take a rectangle shape, fill with rectangle shape. Okay, and then see, I am making a rectangle with the help of highlighter right now. Now the color is being filled. Let us take a pencil, change the color. Let us take a red color. Let us draw the triangle over here. So now it's time to draw a triangle. Let us take a line tool and draw a triangle. See, it's time to draw a triangle. Now it's time to make the gate of my hut. So how I will make it? This is how I will make the gate of my hut. Let us make a window also. Let us choose a different color. Let us choose a yellow color. And now it's time to make a window. See, can you see? My hut is looking very beautiful. I hope the draw tool is clear to everyone. Let's bomb it. Now it's time to start with the paint tool. In the paint tool, I have told you about the brush and I have told you about the spray. Let us take a brush tool. In the brush tool, again, there are two things. One is realistic paint and another one is these are the shapes. So you can choose whichever shape you want because shape is looking very interesting. You can choose whichever shape you want. If I take this shape, that means if I want a brick shape, what I will do, I will click on my brush and see my bricks will be drawn over here. So you can choose as many bricks as you want. See, you can choose as many bricks as you want in your drawing area. See, I am breaking my bricks. Isn't it looking very interesting, girls? And there is a sound also when I am putting my bricks in my drawing. See, isn't it looking very beautiful? Let us take it one more time. And as you leave your mouse now, this tool get disabled. So you have to choose your click. You have to click left click of the mouse, and then you have to drag wherever you want the bricks in your area, in your drawing area. Okay, see, I'm drawing my bricks all over at the drawing area. See, and then we will be making lot of things. Okay, see, isn't it looking very beautiful and very attractive? Girls, are you enjoying it? This is how I can put bricks. Okay, now the next thing that I want to use my spray cane. When I will click on the spray cane, what will happen? There are two things. One is this 3D objects in which there are a lot of objects, balloons, balls, heart, eyes, leaves, shapes. There are different shapes. You can choose any of the shape and you can put it over here. Okay, you can put any of the shape. There are balloons also. You can put any of the balloon over here. Okay, and there is a caterpillar also. When I click on this caterpillar, what will happen? A magic will happen and you will love that magic. Let us take it and see. My bees are moving here and there. Let us take a rabbit. See, rabbit is moving and jumping here and there. Let us take a caterpillar and see the caterpillar. Isn't it looking beautiful? Let us take another thing. Let us take fish over here. Let us take butterfly first. Can you see it's looking very beautiful? Let us take a fish now. See, let us take a flower. You just have to click on this. Let us take the frog. See the frog? You just have to take a click. Let us take this reptiles. See the snails, how they are moving. Let us take the tree over here. Now let us take a balloons. It is not, it is some like balloons. Okay. Let us take this creature. See how they are moving here and there. Let us take it once again. Let us see it once again. Isn't it interesting, girls? I hope you loved that. Let us take a flower. Can you see the flower? So this is how my paint brush will move. You will explore more things. You can use it more things. It is just like a game. You just have to play it with them. Instead of playing games, you can play with the different things and you will definitely enjoy the tools. Is it okay? I hope paint, brush and draw is both the tools have been clear to everyone. Is it okay? I hope the draw tool, this is my draw tool and this is my brush to paint tool. It is both the tools are being clear to all of you. See, this one is the draw tool. In the draw tool, there is pencil, chalk, crayon and highlighter. And when I talk about paint tool, in the paint tool, there is a brush and there is a spray can. Okay, just practice it and enjoy it. See the video and enjoy it and try to do it. Try to make different things. Try to make a beautiful scenery by using all the paintbrush tools, stickers. Okay, and in the next class we will be learning more things. Okay, bye bye all of you, take care.